Cancer has become one of the leading causes of death worldwide, and what you eat might play a larger role than you realize. Did you know that certain everyday foods have been linked to cancer? You might have consumed one of them recently without even knowing. In this video, we'll uncover 21 cancer-causing foods that you should consider removing from your diet for better health. Stay tuned to learn more and make informed choices for yourself and your family. Just a quick reminder, we are not medical doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. Before we dive into these critical details, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our informative videos here on Health Info Hub. Let's get started. 1. Refined sugar. Refined sugar may satisfy your sweet tooth, but it has earned the nickname sweet poison for a reason. It is stripped of nutritional value and deprives the body of vitamins and nutrients during digestion. Cancer cells thrive on sugar, making it a dangerous fuel for their growth. Reducing refined sugar in your diet can significantly lower this risk. 2. Soda pop. Soda pop might taste refreshing, but it's packed with sugar, artificial colors, and chemicals that acidify the body. This acidic environment encourages the growth of cancer cells. Fructose, a common soda ingredient, has been linked to pancreatic cancer, and 4-MeI, the chemical that gives soda its brown color, is a potential carcinogen. Switching to healthier beverages like water or tea can reduce these risks. 3. Processed meats. Processed meats are loaded with preservatives and additives that extend their shelf life, but at a cost to your health. The World Health Organization classified processed meats as carcinogenic, and consuming just 4 slices of bacon daily can increase the risk of colorectal cancer by 18%. Limiting these meats can greatly lower your cancer risk. 4. Red meat. The World Health Organization's research also links red meat to cancer, especially colorectal, prostate, and pancreatic cancers. Eating red meat occasionally is fine, but daily consumption could be harmful. Try incorporating more plant-based proteins to minimize this risk. 5. Microwave popcorn. Microwave popcorn might seem like a convenient snack, but the chemical lining in the bag decomposes into harmful compounds, which are linked to liver and pancreatic cancer. Even the flavoring used can cause lung problems. Popping corn at home in a healthier way could avoid these dangers. 6. Dirty fruits. Fruits like apples, peaches, and strawberries are often coated with pesticides, which have been linked to cancer. These fruits consistently rank high on the Environmental Working Group's Dirty Dozen list. Choosing organic options can help you avoid these harmful chemicals. 7. Potato chips. Potato chips contain acrylamide, a chemical that forms during high-temperature cooking and is known to be carcinogenic. This chemical is found not only in food but also in industrial processes like plastics and paper production. Baking your own chips at home can help you steer clear of this risk. 8. French fries. Much like potato chips, French fries also contain acrylamide, which forms when potatoes are fried at high temperatures. Potatoes are also on the Dirty Dozen list, adding more reasons to avoid them. Try baking or air frying for a healthier alternative. 9. Farmed salmon. Farmed salmon is often raised in overcrowded environments, which leads to poor fish health. To make the fish appear more appetizing, they are fed with artificial chemicals that give them a reddish-pink hue. Opt for wild-caught salmon to avoid these issues. 10. Canned tomatoes. Canned tomatoes may be convenient, but the chemical BPA used in the lining of cans can leach into the food, especially with acidic foods like tomatoes. BPA has been linked to heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Choosing fresh or glass-stored tomatoes can be a safer option. If you're finding this information helpful so far, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more valuable health insights from Health Info Hub. 11. Hydrogenated oil. Hydrogenated oil is processed to turn liquid oils into solids, helping extend shelf life, but at a cost. These oils alter human cell membranes and are linked to an increased risk of breast cancer. Using natural oils like olive oil can reduce your exposure to these harmful fats. 12. White flour. White flour, stripped of its nutrients, undergoes a bleaching process using chlorine gas, which can be harmful. Foods made with refined flour also cause spikes in blood sugar, contributing to cancer growth. Opt for whole grains to reduce this effect on your body. 13. Alcohol. Alcohol has long been linked to liver damage, but heavy drinking can also lead to cancers in the mouth, throat, breast, and bowels. Since 1988, alcohol has been classified as a carcinogen. Reducing alcohol consumption or opting for alcohol-free alternatives can greatly decrease these risks. 14. Pickles and other salted foods. Pickles might offer probiotics, but their high sodium content has been linked to stomach cancer. A study in Turkey found that patients with gastric cancer had a higher intake of pickled foods. Balancing your intake of pickled foods can be key to better health. 15. Genetically modified organisms, GMOs. While GMOs have been designed to improve crop yields and resist pests, some studies have shown links between genetically modified corn and cancer. Although the long-term health effects are not fully understood, it's wise to be cautious. 16. Artificial sweeteners. High doses of artificial sweeteners, such as saccharin and aspartame, have been linked to cancer in animal studies. While humans would have to consume large amounts, even moderate intake poses some risk. Opt for natural sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit to avoid these dangers. 17. Diet products. Diet products might seem healthier due to their low-fat or sugar-free labels, but they often contain artificial chemicals that are linked to cancer and heart disease. Choosing whole, unprocessed foods is a far better option for maintaining a healthy diet. 18. High-fat foods. Foods high in unhealthy fats can lead to obesity, which increases the risk of several cancers, including bowel, pancreatic, breast, and kidney cancer. Maintaining a balanced, low-fat diet can reduce these risks. 19. Animal-based foods. Cancer survivors are often advised to avoid non-organic animal products, as they can accelerate the growth of cancer cells. Several studies have found that these products create an environment in which cancer cells can thrive. 20. Smoked meat. Smoked meats like red meat and fish are popular, but the smoking process creates hazardous tar, a known carcinogen. The high sodium content in these foods can also increase the risk of bowel cancer. 21. Dairy products. While dairy products like milk and cheese provide essential nutrients, they have been linked to an increased risk of ovarian and prostate cancers. However, some research also shows that milk may help reduce the risk of bowel cancer due to its calcium content. Moderation is key when it comes to dairy consumption. Now that you're aware of these 21 cancer-causing foods, the next step is making better decisions for your health. The good news is that you don't have to overhaul your diet overnight. Start by making small changes, cutting back on processed foods, incorporating more fresh, organic options, and being mindful of the hidden dangers in everyday items. Keep in mind that we are not medical doctors, and this information should not be considered medical advice. It is always best to check with your doctor for personalized treatment and advice. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Health Info Hub for more health tips and insights.